Selling courses without a website is totally possible, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it using landing pages. This quick 3-minute tutorial will walk you through the steps, and by the end, you'll have everything you need to start selling your course without the hassle of creating a full-blown website. Let's jump right in. First off, the reason landing pages work so well is that they focus all your attention on one goal: getting people to sign up for your course. No distractions, no navigation, just a clear path to purchase. To get started, you'll need a landing page builder. You might be wondering, what software should I use? I've tried a few popular options, and I'm going to recommend a software I trust. It's easy to use, and the best part? You can get an exclusive free trial of it just by clicking the link in the description below. It's a great way to follow along and see exactly how we're setting this up. Once you've got your landing page builder ready, the next step is to design your page. Keep it simple and to the point. Your landing page should have a compelling headline that addresses the main benefit of your course. For example, if you're teaching people how to build a business, your headline could say, "Learn how to build a profitable business from scratch." It needs to be clear, concise, and make people want to know more. Next, add a strong call to action, something like "sign up now" or "get instant access." This needs to be easy to find and should be repeated on the page, so there's no confusion about what to do next. Another important part is social proof. If you've had past students, include their testimonials. Even if you're just starting, you can use reviews from people who have worked with you in the past or testimonials from people who've tested your course content. This adds credibility and builds trust. Now let's talk about the checkout process. You don't need a full-fledged e-commerce system to sell courses. Instead, you can use tools that integrate directly with your landing page to handle payments, like Stripe or PayPal. Make sure the payment process is smooth and easy. You want to minimize friction for potential buyers. Finally, once your page is live, it's time to drive traffic to it. This is where you can get creative with your marketing. Whether you're using paid ads, email marketing, or social media, your goal is to direct people to that landing page. Focus on targeting the right audience, those who are genuinely interested in the value your course provides. And remember, the software we're using today is designed to make this process seamless. You'll have everything you need in one place, from designing the landing page to accepting payments. Now, before we wrap up, here's the key takeaway. You can sell courses without a website by focusing on a well-designed landing page. Keep your page simple, clear, and focused on one action: signing up for your course. Use social proof, a seamless checkout, and drive targeted traffic to your landing page. It's that simple. Don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial of the software we use today. The link is in the description below. And if you're ready to take action, go ahead and set up your landing page so you can start selling your course today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.